Hi everyone, my name is Anil. Today I am going to discuss about telecommuting. Telecommute simply means to work from a remote location, usually a home office, by electronically linking to a company. People telecommute when they link up with their main workplace by telecommunications or the internet, rather than having to commute there bodily. People can telecommute from home or from nearby telecommuting centers. Telecommuting centers allow people to work at an office near their home rather than having to commute daily to a distant office by motorized transport. Telecommuting centers provide computer workstations and other office facilities such as printers and meeting rooms, which can be used by workers from different organizations. In contrast to working from home, it provides a professional atmosphere conducive to performance and facilitates sharing of ideas between workers from a variety of specializations. Telecenters complement main offices where workers in the same specialization meet, work side by side, and exchange ideas. Some of the advantages of telecommuting are happier employees. Telecommuting arrangements can help workers realize a general improvement in their personal quality of life. They avoid long, stressful commutes, thus gaining more time for pleasurable activities and more flexibility for changeable tasks like child and elder care. Telecommuting allows for a flexible schedule. Flexibility is one of the main reasons that people enjoy telecommuting. That is, people who work from home are able to schedule their work around their personal commitments or family activities. As long as their tasks are completed in a timely manner, many times telecommuters are given the opportunity to dictate their own working schedule. Another advantage is increased employee productivity. Business studies suggest that employees are often much more productive at home, where drop-in interruptions and meetings are not distractions. Instead, the teleworker can focus on the job at hand. Of course, productivity at home is directly related to the employee's level of self-discipline and his abilities. Cost savings. Businesses can often gain significant savings in facilities costs like office space and parking space requirements when staff members telecommute. Another advantage of telecommuting is increased retention of valued employees. Many businesses lose workers when those employees undergo significant life changes such as starting a family or relocating to another region or state because of a spouse career. Telecommuting is one way in which a business may be able to continue to utilize the services of an otherwise unavailable worker. Some of the disadvantages of telecommuting are lack of supervision. Not everyone is fit to be in a position where telecommuting is a part of his or her job. Some people need direction in order to be effective. Therefore, people who need daily supervision should understand that telecommuting might not be the better option for them. Decrease in security measures. One of the disadvantages of telecommuting is that individuals will have access to sensitive information while at home. This can bring all sorts of security issues, as there are potential breaches in the ability to monitor such information or data adequately. Technical difficulties. One of the greatest disadvantages of telecommunications job is vulnerability to technical difficulties. In most cases, telecommuting requires a considerable amount of emailing, video chats, telephone calls, and faxing, among other methods of electronic remote networking. When power outage occurs, remote computers crash, or telephone lines are down, home-based workers are rendered virtually helpless. Another disadvantage is time zone differences. If you are telecommuting for work and working with employers, clients, or business associates across the country, it is sometimes difficult to coordinate working schedules. Finally, business owners and managers need to recognize that some employees are better suited than others to thrive in a telecommuting program. Thank you.